Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you wondering what are digital marketing courses? You're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, for the next 10 minutes or so, I'm going to share with you some marketplaces where you can get access to digital marketing courses. I'm going to break down exactly what digital marketing is and the different types of digital marketing. And most importantly, if you're interested in learning high in-demand skills, I'm actually going to share with you how you can learn and earn at the same time. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I actually felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. And last year, I actually came across this proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. I no longer have to slide into strangers' DMs. And what I'm loving about the program is even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6- and 7-figure earners. Now, if you're wondering about digital marketing courses, let's just break down what digital marketing is. It's all about learning how to reach your target audience online. So it's getting away from the traditional ways of marketing to doing it all online, because that, my friend, is where your audience is. Now, there's different ways that you can use digital marketing. There's different types. There's content marketing. What I'm doing right now is creating content for which resonates with my target audience. So you could do that. If you don't want to be on video, you can actually just write articles and blogs. And there's email marketing where you can build an email list. They do say the money is in the list, right? The bigger your list, the more money you can earn. There's social media. You're already on social media right now, liking and scrolling. How about turning that time into income producing activities? How about learning the skills to turn your social media profiles into ATMs? There's paid advertising, there's classified ads, there's AI and chatbots. There's all these different ways that you can reach your target audience. Now, where do you go as a busy mom trying to balance work and family and all these commitments? Where do you go to actually learn digital marketing? Let me share with you some platforms that I've used myself personally, and I'll actually have links to them in the description as well, and give you an idea of where you can get started. So Udemy, I'm going to share with you marketplaces like Udemy, for example. Udemy is a marketplace where buyers and sellers are. So if people, there's different content creators here. You name it, you're going to find it here. I actually remember I learned how to record audios, meditation audios through a course that was so good from Udemy, right? So there's different courses here. So what I did was I just did a search here, digital marketing, and I didn't actually filter it. Let's say we could filter by language, English. We could do hands-on practice, see which ones that we want. And you could filter in so many different ways, but these are all video content. And you can see here, there's, how many do we have? 10,000 results, right? In English only. So you could do 4.5 stars and above. You could do different things to play with it. 7,000 have more than 4.5 stars. But complete digital marketing guide, bestseller, mega marketing course. So there's all these here. So if I was to click this one, the bestseller one, or before, yeah, you can see how many students this has had, 233 students, the ratings and everything, right? You can actually see what you'll learn. and what the course includes and all the modules that are there as well. So this is one of the marketplaces. I'm going to have a link in the description for you. And then this is another place that I've personally used to learn. So again, I did the same thing. I just did a digital marketing search and all these showed up. So HubSpot is actually a huge company, $1 million company that does sales and marketing automation, right? So they do CRMs and all these things. So they just have a blog and they have this training platform as well. So it's you can do. When I searched for digital marketing, how many came up? 325 have digital, at least digital in them. So digital marketing, 11 lessons, 5 hours, digital marketing fundamentals, digital advertising. So this social media marketing, so that's a branch of digital marketing, 5 hours. So there's all these courses here in HubSpot Academy. And the layout is pretty similar to Udemy because you can have this video content and there's assessments in there that you can do as well. And they have accreditation as well, okay? So Coursera is another one that I've used. And again, I just did a digital marketing search. We could do English, for instance, guided course. We could say we want courses and we want beginner. You can choose the length, the skills, the subtitles, the educator. You want an instructor. So there's different ways that you can actually filter it. But then after filtering it, how many do we have here? We have this one, for instance, fundamentals in digital marketing. Again, you can see how long it will take, how many reviews, and the level. University of California, content marketing, digital marketing. So there's all these platforms here where you can learn digital marketing. And this was one that I haven't actually used, digital marketing, but it's Google Skill Shop, right? So you can learn fundamentals in digital marketing. Again, I just did a search and these are the courses that came up. So if I click here, fundamentals in digital marketing, 40 hours, 4.5 star rating, beginner level. So you can see what other information you have there, okay? So yeah, build your digital marketing strategy. Welcome to fundamentals. So this course here, these are the different modules, right? So for one hour, welcome to digital marketing. 2 hours, building your digital marketing strategy. Get to know your digital customers, 2 hours. So all this there is available. So the different modules that they have in there, okay? So this is where you could go as a beginner to actually get started in the digital marketing space. And however, what I want to do is I'll have all these links in the description where you can click them and check them out. But I want to share with you, if you want a bit more than what I've shared, these are courses where you can log in and get access to the training. But if you want more interactive courses where it's a two-way thing, where you can get coaching, live coaching and mentorship every single week, and where you get access to a community, a thriving community of like-minded people, and where you can have mentorship from 6- and 7-figure earners. And I want to invite you to a live interactive program that I'm part of. Let me just share with you. Let me see, am I logged in? Let's see if hopefully I'm still logged in. This is our site. I'm not logged in, but it's pretty much similar to what I've shown you. That you do get access to 2 apps. Let me just log in here. You do get access to 2 apps, and one of them, this here, is more a training site like the ones that I've shown you, where you get access to the training, you get access to the course and all the modules, video tutorials and all that are in there, right? However, what's different about this one here is that you get this second app here on your phone, and you can log on to online. We have 51,000 paid members, and if I go to calendar here, we have live interactive coaching and mentorship. So today is the 31st of March. Tomorrow we have that mentoring call, and we have a technical call, we have Q&A. So you actually don't just get login details, but you get our Millionaire Mentor and other 6 and 7 figure mentors that take you by the hand, keep you accountable and committed and focused on achieving your goals. So our Millionaire Mentor, who created this program, does 90-day runs. So we're on day 62 now. It's going to show up here where she sends us a video. The video magically appears here, and we get access to, she gives us assignments. Sometimes she works on our mindset. Sometimes she works on our skill set. Mindset training here. Now, content vault, where you can download content, upload it to your social media. You would have missed countless Zoom replays from 6 and 7 figure coaches, social media training. Everything is in there, right, on our membership site. So this win section here just shares people sharing their wins. Angela, just 21 hours ago, first post to hit 1,000 views. Congratulations to her. And Daryl, 59 minutes ago, wow, 6,600 in the last 7 days. That's almost close to 1,000 a day. That's absolutely amazing. Congratulations. Lauren, second $900 ding just came in. I'm so excited to help another family towards financial freedom. Congratulations. Yvonne was doing a live and she got a $900 purchase during her live. And these are all the different shares that we have in our community. Donna, 5 days ago, celebrating my first sale, $900 in 5 months. Woot. And yeah, there's different shares in here. Some financial. She got 345 leads in 10 days. That's absolutely amazing. Christy 3 days ago says the system works, but you have to work it, right? So this is what is different. What's the unique selling point about our program is that you just don't get that first access to the first platform, the first app where you have the login details. You can log in and work the program at your own pace. You actually get that interactive two-way where you have weekly coaching and mentorship and all these things that I've shared with you. Now, if you are interested in learning more about digital marketing, how to brand yourself, how to build your email list, how to learn these high in demand skills, how to use attraction marketing to build your business so you're not bothering your family and friends, then click the link in the description to claim your free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'm going to deliver it to your email, so check your spam folder and make sure you respond to my email. Ask me any questions you might have. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.